Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make wall coloring easier in Heartopia. So you are going to go to the advanced fill mode. And then, for instance, you want to color this room. So you're just going to want to take the brush and for instance, you want to color it this color. You're not going to do the single selection, but you're going to do continuous. So you can do this instead of this is what single selection looks like, by the way, doing this one by one. So this is how you can basically color your walls easier and faster using the continuous selection in Heartopia. Be careful though, because it is easy to paint other walls that you do not want to paint. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.